All right, we're at Jacobsen Park in Lexington, Kentucky, and I'm going to run this radio control race boat. This is a big German-made hull made by a company called Graupner. It's about 26, 27 inches long. It's an ocean-going racer. It's a deep V hull design, as you can see. It's powered by an outrunner brushless motor designed for a 500 size helicopter, and I've got a 180 amp water-cooled Hobby King speed controller in it, and I'm running it on 5 lithium polymer power cells that are 3,300 milliamps, I believe. I've had this boat like 20 years. It's had about 4 different power systems in it, and this one has it tremendously overpowered. I've never been able to get it past half throttle, even on calm water, once it become airborne. And had it out here about 2 weeks ago and accidentally nailed the throttle real hard when it was standing in water, and it did a 45-degree wheel stand just like this, and jumped out of the water with the prop showing. So it's got variable trim tabs on it that you can see. They're adjusted completely neutral, and that line going in from the tube behind the prop carries water into the speed control, which is water cooled. After it exits the speed control, goes through another tube and comes out here. When that system is working, you can see the water spraying out, lets you know that everything's cool inside. Here's one more look at it from the nose down. I'm going to toss it in the water and we're going to see how she does. Shoot, I'm a little wobbly. Let's get this thing around my neck so I won't drop in the water. She'll leap right out of the water. Big graceful turn and then come down through here fairly fast. I'll try to nail it when she comes by pretty good. Come in real close. Do that again. Try that one more time. Uh-oh. We did a 180 on it, came up right. This boat's pretty forgiving. And the top is sealed, so if it does go over, it'll float. Wow, sometimes that's what. We'll bring her in and let you have a look inside. Let me get the top off of it here. The lid. Here she is, looking right down the nose, and I'm going to let you see inside. That is a Turnigy 1600 kilovolt 500 outrunner motor designed for a radio control helicopter. Very powerful. It's got a 180 amp Hobby King water cooled speed controller computer mounted here in the back. That's a Futaba servo onto the steering right there, and then on this side of the boat is a 3000 milliamp 3-cell lithium polymer power pack. On the other side is a 2-cell, same thing. So I'm running 5 lithium polymer cells in this thing. Gives it somewhere, I think, around 19 volts of power. And those are 40 amp packs. The receiver for the radio signal is back here wrapped in waterproof material. And that's her. This is a very nice running boat.